Today, I'll guide you on putting on the CoCo BT2 smartwatch with one hand, demonstrating two methods for both bigger and smaller wrists. Let's jump into it. Method 1. Pre-put the band end into the frame. This works well for smaller wrists. Like this. Feed the band through the frame first, and then place it on your wrist, while holding both the band and frame. Adjust for the desired tightness. Snap it, and tuck it. Method 2. Using a flat surface. Ideal for bigger wrists, especially if Method 1 isn't suitable. Like this. Lay the watch on a flat surface. Position your wrist over it. Grab both the band and frame. Pull the band over the frame. Find your preferred tightness. Snap it, and tuck it. For everyday comfort, keep it a bit looser, as shown. Adjusting the tightness is easy. Place your wrist on a flat surface. Find the hole, unsnap it, and make it tighter or looser based on your preference. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@sencoral.com.